So at first I was just gonna hop into editing this video for y'all, but I was like, nah, I legit need to clean. Like, you know, you cannot think straight if you are in a dirty environment. And not saying like, oh, my house is so dirty and stuff like that, but a long work week is just a long work week, and that's just what it is. So in today's video, y'all are literally gonna help me deep clean or watch me, and maybe you should be doing it too, so we can be doing it together. But literally, y'all are literally going to be watching me deep clean my apartment, because literally after a week of work, it just gets messy and stuff like that. And I feel like when you're in the headspace, when you're trying to think clear and have, like, you know, just to come up with ideas for your videos and stuff like that, it's kind of hard to edit or focus on one thing when you in a world of mess, you know. So, and also I feel like for me, like when my mind is clouded and stuff like that, literally when I clean up, baby, that's therapy for me. Yeah, so y'all just gonna clean my room with me, and then I can finally edit then. So let's go clean this room, y'all. Make sure that you clean your room too, because it ain't nothing wrong with being like, it's okay, we have our weeks, we have our days where some days, like every single day we could clean up, every day we could clean up, and then other weeks it just be like, dang, like this week I ain't cleaning up that much. But bonnet from shenanigans, y'all. Bonnet from shenanigans. Let me fix it a little bit. I can get into it. Got the pink versatile, okay? Don't play with her. Alright, let's go. And again.
Your mind up, waste time. I'm prone to that, do it all the time. Keep your guards up, or wait in line. You don't need me, please believe me. This ain't easy, you know I've been feeding. Let me unleash my demons on you. What's the word? Tell me what you heard. Tell me what to do, just tell me when it hurts. Wanna get you to myself as murder. What's the word? Tell me what you heard. Tell me what to do, just tell me when it hurts. Wanna get you to myself as murder. What you mean, you and me, I'm here all by myself. You around, she's around, it's people like not leave her out. What you call this? Hope it's not romantic. I ain't got no kids, so don't be so childish. Wildin', I be wildin' too. Not like you, so maybe I look like you. Maybe we ain't so different. Maybe I be trippin'. What's the word? Tell me what you heard. Tell me what to do, just tell me when it hurts. Wanna get you to myself as murder. What's the word? Tell me what you heard. Tell me what to do, your mind up, waste time. I'm prone to that, do it all the time. Keep your guards up, who waited line. You don't need me, please believe me. This ain't easy, you know I've been feeding. Let me unleash my demons on you. What's the word? Tell me what you heard. Tell me what to do, just tell me when it hurts. When I get you.
Alright, so I don't want to stop cleaning because I'm in my flow, but I need to get this video posted today, so I'm finna literally stop for a second and edit this video, and then I'm gonna tune back in with y'all when I start back cleaning again. Y'all, it is Sunday and I ain't got no business being up this early. It's 7. Look at it. We about to go to the gym. It's a Sunday reset, but we just resetting our mind, body, and soul. House too.
There's murder. What's the word? Tell me what you heard. Tell me what to do. Just tell me when it hurts. When I get you to myself, there's murder. What you mean, you and me? I'm here all by myself. You around, she's around. Let's be polite, not leave her out. What you call this? Hope it's not romantic. I ain't got no kids, so don't be so childish. Wildin', I be wildin' too. Not like you, so maybe I look like you. Maybe we ain't so different. Maybe I be tripping. What's the word? Tell me what you heard. Tell me what to do. Just tell me when it hurts. When I get you to myself, there's murder. What's the word?
He got the shackles on his feet. So usually when we at the store or whatever, I'll like make a checklist on my phone of what like groceries we need to get and stuff like that. But I don't know, something about a pen and paper been hidden lately. So I already got everything that like we basically need to get from the store. I just need to write it out on an index card by itself. So yeah, let's do it. Y'all, I'm ready to leave already. First off, I forgot the list. Luckily, I have it in my phone. Keep it, save it. I have it in my phone, like I said. I'm grabbing that. Give me my cran grape and then you can get whatever one that you gonna get. Stay out my stuff. And when yours run low, I don't wanna hear nothing.
wish before I die. They won't respect you till you try.
I feel like you can still post that one, but like when you record it from here on out, like just have a equal balance of both of them, basically. Okay, so what's something that you feel like that you want to work on your channel? Your angles are good. You just need to post.
Working hard, we ain't having no hope. I got felt like a charm. 50 rest on the arm. A tsunami and storm. I stay fly, I was there born. But these hoes like it's born. I get higher than the odds born. I can count just a torn. Getting money is so important. You thought I was done. I can go on and on. The cars are foreign. I crack up and start soaring. My heart is torn. Shoot a movie like Barry Gordon. A star was born. My love is like a damn storm. My life full of fun. And I'm one of my hoes born. She never by the time. Motion in it and more alone. Any jeans with a gun. Play with me, it's a whole war. I ain't finished or done. We got some, but we tryna get more. Hey, 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 hey. Yes, I'm the head to toe. I sit to the head and float. Already fed the poke. Niggas too scared to go. Hey, 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 hey. I could've like hands and soap. Get a meat, let it drag on the floor. It's a none in the bed that I told. Working hard, we ain't having no hope.
Y'all, so I left these up here so that they can cool down before I put them in the refrigerator. That is the Sunday reset, cleaning, cooking, getting ready for the week. It's just really repetitive
What is this week?
15, we on week 16. We're on week 16 in meal prepping.
See how I kept up with that? What?
I like that. I like that. I like that. I feel like for us, for meal prepping, it's not to like it's not to like lose weight. It's more so to save money.
Yeah, people ask me that all the time.
Yeah, it's not to lose weight. It's to save money and eat good. Like, because realistic, man, like I'm trying to gain, okay? I'm trying to have a booty and a body and you feel.
Well, I ain't trying to have no type of none of that.
He just trying to build muscle. But yeah, he just threw me off. So what the fuck was I about to say, y'all? Shut up. But no, so like our meal preps, for me personally, like it's more so to save money. I don't be having time on my lunches or nothing like that to to get food. Like, you know, it just be too much, and really eating out be adding up a lot, and the food don't taste the same anyway. Like, it's really not, it's mid. And if you're gonna eat the same thing every day for lunch, you might as well just meal prep.
You feel like there's a restaurant that's really like fast food restaurant that's really hitting on your food? You know what I mean? Like, me personally, I don't feel like a restaurant can really match up to me if I really get in the kitchen.
Nah, I don't think so. I mean, it ain't nothing like a good home cooked meal. Yeah. It's always gonna be something about a restaurant. Like, it'd be cool for an outing, but nothing like the soul food. But make sure that y'all meal prepping. Make sure that y'all resetting for Sundays and stuff like that. And make sure that y'all like, comment, and subscribe. And we out. What you gotta tell them for the week?
Man, y'all have a good, productive week, and we gonna see y'all on the next reset for sure. Hopefully y'all joining us, you know what I mean? Resetting with us while you watching.
Alright, y'all. Indy out.